Hey everyone, Ryan Nielsen here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. Would you like to drastically increase your marketing results? If so, then you're going to want to stick with me on this review of VideoXQ-AI. This is a revolutionary AI that transforms text into gorgeous animated explainer videos for any need. You can create customizable animated videos that are as good as or better than top video agencies in the world. So this is a promotional launch that starts tomorrow, but tonight they have a webinar. So at any time during this review of VideoXQAI, if you want to go ahead and get to this bonus page, just click in the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly to this bonus page, and you click on any of the yellow buttons, it'll take you directly to the sales page. And today, May 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can go ahead and sign up and save your seat for a webinar where you're going to get a free copy of this AI app that creates explainer animation videos better than professionals. So if you're watching this video now, go ahead and save your seat if it's on or before or during 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, May 23rd. So, what is VideoXQ-AI all about? VideoXQ-AI is a cloud-based app that utilizes artificial intelligence to create professionally grade, fully customizable explainer animation videos with no experience needed. These videos are easy to customize with the drag and drop interface and come with highly engaging isometric animations, AI high retention scripts, AI voiceovers, and more. Through a combination of unique AI tech and a gigantic colorful animation library, anyone, regardless of experience, can make explainer animation videos just as good as or better than expensive video agencies. Plus, with the commercial license, you can future-proof yourself with your own video agency business that's better than the pros. So, once you get inside of VideoXQAI, you'll have access to the members area, which you will have a video, and this is about 10 minutes, and I highly encourage you to watch this video before you start creating your own videos, because I decided to skip the video, and I went in there and I started creating my own videos, and I got all discombobulated, and so I went back and watched the welcome video to go ahead and get my project started. I've since deleted all my projects because I wasn't happy with them, and I want to explore this a little bit further, but so far it's pretty intuitive and easy to go through. Your dashboard is very self-explanatory. You have, once you make your videos, you have a list of all your videos here. They also have done for you templates that you can use. But for me, I enjoyed just going in and creating my own, right off the bat, not trying to go back through any of these done for you templates. And this is just review access, so I don't know what the actual paid members area looks like. So I'm just going to leave it at that and turn it over to Ben Murray so he can give you a good full demo of VideoXQ-AI. And then when we come back, I'll show you all the prices and upsells and my amazing bonuses that I will give you just by purchasing the front end of VideoXQ-AI.
In this video, we're going to see how to use VideoXQ-AI to create gorgeous animation explainer videos using revolutionary AI technology. Just by entering some keywords, you can create high retention, fully unique video scripts for a variety of purposes. Then watch as the fully cloud-based app creates a fully unique, high-end explainer animation video from that text. Not just any animation video, however, but one filled with high-end isometric animations, the animation style proven to get the most amount of attention and conversions. Choose from a gigantic library of already done for you animated scenes to add to your video in just a click. Or choose from tons of already done for you videos in popular business niches and topics to edit or clone. Edit anything you want with the drag and drop multi-timeline editor and preview the video as you go in real time. Plus, turn the AI text into a realistic AI voiceover in seconds with the text-to-speech engine that sounds just like a pro voiceover artist. Add video stock clips, animations, and transitions, animated backgrounds, animated emojis, and more to make an HD explainer video for any need, better than what top agencies in the world can produce with no experience needed. To get started, log into the fully cloud-based app and hit Create Video to make a new animation explainer video. Choose your layout, and then click to have artificial intelligence generate a high-retention video script from scratch for us. Type in a short description about what you want the AI to make the video script about, add the business name or product name, choose if you want a shorter script for social videos or a longer script for direct response video sales letters, hit generate, and our script is ready to go. Edit anything you want about it. Now, if you're in a rush, you can choose from lots of already done for you videos with scripts, voiceovers, and animations already created in the template section, or edit and clone an existing video we're already working on like this. Next, let's see how to add gorgeous animated scenes to the video. One of the things that makes VideoXQ-AI stand apart from all the other video makers is this gigantic collection of done-for-you animated scenes in many niches for offline or online businesses. Choose a popular topic and then pick from done-for-you animated scenes within that topic. Preview what the animated scene will look like. Choose where we want to insert it on the drag and drop timeline editor, and then press to add it in. In a click, you can move elements around on the screen, changing their location, making them bigger or smaller, then edit the duration of the clip if needed, and choose where it will enter and exit using the timeline editor, just like this. Press the play button to view your edits in real time. You can easily add other elements like text to the video if needed. Choose from fancy presets or regular text. Simply point and click to edit. You can change the order in which each element is seen on the video using layer technology. Just drag what layer you want to be shown over the other one like this. Note that you can manually add text to each scene or choose to burn subtitles onto the video upon rendering it from your script you've created. Excellent for high views on social media sites. Okay, now let's add some music, including a realistic sounding voiceover to our animated explainer video. Scroll to audio and select text to speech. Enter your text or paste in your AI generated script. Choose a language and realistic voice ID from a collection of real sounding spokespeople. Choose your speed and pause duration and then generate the audio. Then you can preview it after generated. Then click Use to add it to the video. You can also upload any previous voiceovers you made or record your own voiceover right inside the app. Okay, awesome. Now we have a high retention video script, amazing animations with text, and realistic voiceover. Our video is already better than 99% of animated videos out there, but believe it or not, this is just the start of what you can do with VideoXQ-AI. To add video footage to the video, go to video and upload your own clips or search a gigantic library of stock clips. Preview the video clip and add it to the video if needed. The same thing works for regular images as well. You can add static or animated backgrounds to the video. Click background and add a video, image, or color as the background to our video. VideoXQ-AI is the first that lets you add animated backgrounds that make the video look really awesome. Go to animations and select background effects. Preview an animated background and choose where you want to add it and then insert it with just a click. That definitely took our video to the next animation level. Add animated transitions to any element of the video as well. Click an element and then add an entrance or exit transition just like this. Now our video is starting to look really high-end. Also add animated emojis to the video or individual animated characters and objects. There's so many assets to help bring the video to life however you want, or how your client is requesting the video to be. Choose from hundreds of animated individual graphics and scenes to make explainer videos for pretty much every niche out there in seconds. Finally, when you're ready, click Render to export the video to HD super fast. Use yourself to boost leads and sales, or sell to clients on places like Fiverr or Upwork, and anywhere else to run a video marketing agency business. As you can see, everything is here to make animated videos for any need or purpose better than what top agencies can make. The AI technology will keep getting smarter and the animation library will keep growing, so your videos will continue to get better than what top marketers can make.
So inside of VideoXQ-AI, you will get AI video script writing. Let AI create high retention video scripts for a variety of different videos. Huge animation ISO scene library. drag and drop timeline editor, AI realistic voiceovers, lots of done for you video templates, tons of elements for customization, fast HD rendering with cloud storage, tons of videos for every need, record voiceovers and upload files, eye-popping transitions and animations, and of course the commercial license where you can sell unique explainer animation videos for any price you want that are finally as good as top agencies can make. So there are so many ways you can have success with these AI explainer videos. You can sell them on Upwork. You can start faceless YouTube channels and flip them. You can use as video ads. You can rank and charge per lead. You can sell to local shops and boost conversions, and so much more. So many options there. So here are the prices and upsells. The front end for VideoXQ-AI Professional is $37. It includes all of the features mentioned above with both agency rights and commercial rights to sell clients. There are some OTOs. The one-time offer number one is FastPass OTO Bundle Deal for $230. This includes all the upgrades for a major discount. So you won't have to get all of this stuff that you have here and below and spend the extra money on one-time offers. You can get it all into a bundle. OTO number two is, which ties into the FastPass OTO, is AI Gold. This upgraded, more advanced edition of VideoXQ-AI includes the unlimited license and advanced features like agency license and technology, add 25 businesses into VideoXQ for them to manage and preview their videos. So this is for you or anyone you sell this to. These are all the things you're going to get in OTO number two. But there's a downsell. You can get the Gold Light for only $67. You can take a look at this in more detail. OTO number three, VideoXQA Asset Club, $197 per year or $27 monthly. It's a membership site that gives you access to fresh new video assets monthly to set your video agency apart from everyone else's, and includes 600 plus monthly assets like these right here below. OTO number four is VideoXQAI Platinum, $97. This most advanced edition of VideoXQ-AI allows you to keep clients longer with advanced enterprise technology. You can white label the app as your very own so clients don't buy from us, and far more like that. So the unlimited agency account creation and white label license is all included below. And then you get OTO number five, and you get OTO number five again, which is the YouTube Suite Special. And then OTO number six is the AI VideoXQ-AI Academy for $197. So if you're interested in any of these one-time offers, then you're going to want to consider the FastPass one-time offer bundle deal. You'll get a much better discount if you go that route. The main features that you'll be getting on the front end are right here. Just as a reminder, recap. And then here are the VideoXQ-AI founders, Ben Murray and his team. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So without further ado, here are my bonuses for VideoXQ-AI. If you just get the front end, you'll get all of these bonuses. And if you get everything else, that's fine too. But all you have to do is purchase the front end to get these particular bonuses that I have picked out. So bonus number one is Inbox Gun with agency rights. And Inbox Gun is a stunning email builder web app designed to create more clickable emails. You can create professional emails easily that will inbox higher than average without advanced coding skills. Bonus number two is one of my favorites. It's an easy, ultimate Facebook traffic trick where you can discover how to create free targeted traffic from Facebook by setting up Facebook assets. This is what Mark Hess calls traffic magnets that take advantage of Facebook's algorithm to send you free targeted traffic in any niche. Bonus number 3 is WordPress local lead capturing pages with agency rights. You can create nice, attractive, stunning landing pages, lead pages, and opt-in forms using WordPress lead capturing pages. Make every page your own by dragging and dropping new elements where you want them. You can text in images and have buttons and even widgets such as countdown timers all snap into place with ease. Bonus number 4 is exit intent pop-up, and this also comes with agency rights. This is the first drag and drop easy to use exit intent pop-up builder. Exit intent pop-up is a plugin that allows you to easily create and manage pop-ups on your WordPress website or blog. With this plugin, you can create a pop-up on any page and post on the client's WordPress site, on your WordPress site. So either you or as an agency, and you do this for your client. So all of these products, all of this ties into agency style things. This could be you for yourself and your own business, but if you want to be an agency or you are an agency, then all of these bonuses will work well nicely for your clients. And then bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses, which I have access to all of the bonuses here. One is QR Agency Suite. Another one is Smart Designs. All of these come with the agency rights. The other one is Video Showcase Gallery 2.0. And that's what that looks like. And then there's an insanely big Instagram video marketing kit for agencies. And then YouTube Premium Thumbnails with agency rights, as well as agency rights to Rapid Lead Page Builder 2.0, and white label rights to YouTube Client Magnet, access to 3,000 premium jingle audio tracks, agency rights to local appointment scheduler. And folks, believe it or not, that's all. But it's a really amazing deal. I'm so impressed with all the vendor bonuses, I cannot even tell you. So my bonuses plus theirs, it's a no-brainer. If you're at all interested, really, if you're all interested in a revolutionary AI that transforms text into gorgeous animated explainer videos for any need, where you can create customizable animated videos that are as good as or better than top video agencies in the world, then you're going to want to pick up VideoXQ-AI. So all you have to do is click the link in the description below this video, take you to this bonus page. Click on any of these yellow buttons. It'll take you directly to the sales page, where you can go ahead and scoop up whatever copy. If you want to get the bundle, if you want to get just the front end, or if you want to get any of the one-time offers, then you'll be taken to JVZoo. And if you don't have a JVZoo account, it's easy to create one. And inside your JVZoo account, you'll have access to your purchase, as well as by clicking the green button, and as well as my bonuses by clicking on the blue button. And my bonuses are going to be available to you all the way through the end of this launch, which ends on Tuesday, May 30th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for taking the time to stay to the end of this review of VideoXQ-AI. If you like what you see here and you want to see more of my upcoming digital product reviews, information products, and trainings, just click the link in the description below this video. Come to this bonus page, pick up your copy. Even if you don't buy this, just go ahead and click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all of my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this review, and make it a great day.